Hi, we've heard that there's a couple of people that would like to have some more information on how to use our online mapping tool for the coastal management program. So I'm just going to take you through a little tutorial. Here I am on the coastal management program page, and you can see here this call out box that says have your say. What I need you to do is click on more information and it will take you to the online mapping tool. The online mapping tool here, you can see that it's set up. We've got our map that we can zoom in and out on over on the right-hand side. And we also have a lot of icons at the top, which we're able to drag for comment. So I'm just going to take you through what they are. So these are the types of management options that we're looking for feedback on in different parts of the local government area. What I have here is alert. So that's where we have low regrets or it's best practice. So what we want to do is watch and wait response on these ones. So we're wanting to set some thresholds and monitor change and undertake research to improve knowledge. So this can be examples of coastal surveys or condition assessments. This one here is about avoiding risk, and this is where land use planning and design comes into play. So examples might be land use zonings, where we avoid certain types of development in high risk areas, or we have planning provisions or development controls in place. The orange one here is retreat, where we plan for change. And this could be the relocation of assets away from risk areas. And this may occur over time. And examples might be an abandonment of natural or built assets, a buyback, or a land swap scheme. The red one here is active intervention, and this is coastal protection works. So this is management actions that protect built and natural assets, including emergency response measures. And some examples might be hard protection works, sand nourishment, or dune rehabilitation. We've also provided another option here in case there's management options that you have that don't meet any of those four categories. So this could be things in relating to water quality, recreation use, and public asset or management of the natural environment. So just to take you through how to use this, what we do here is over to the left, you'll see an information icon, and it will actually take you through the information that I just described for each of the icons at the top of the page. Okay, so now I want to take you through how to provide comment using the drag and drop icons at the top. What we're going to do is zoom in on the map where you want to provide your comment. You can do that by, if you've got a scrolling mechanism on your mouse, scrolling through and out, or using the zoom control on the top right-hand corner of the screen. You can drag the map with your mouse to get to the location that you're looking for. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to look for a management option comment in the Corlette area. So what I'm going to do is click on active intervention or any of these that I would want to provide feedback on, click and drag holding my mouse down to the location where I want to provide that feedback. Once I let go of my mouse, a comment box will be released. I can then type my comment into the box, include my name, where you can also include your address, your email address if you like. Click on the terms and conditions and add comment. I'm not going to click that because I don't want this test comment included in the data. Once you've done that, what you can also do is drag around the map and see what other people are providing comment on. I can click on their icon and see some of the information that others and feedback that others are providing. I can start a discussion to provide comment on that comment, or I can like or dislike that. So that's how you use this tool. I hope this mini tutorial has helped. And if you need any further information or provide feedback, you can also do that via phone. Please call the engagement team on 4988 0255.